So one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to create everything from scratch. You don't have to. There is already a tremendous amount of information available online. And one of the places I will show you is the Meta Ad Library. This allows us to research ads that are currently being run on Meta platforms. We're not copying someone else's business. We are researching, we are looking for patterns, we are asking, what messages are people using? What problems are they talking about? What angles are getting attention? How are they moving people from the ad toward the offer? So this is how you train your marketing eye, so you don't need to reinvent everything. I don't want you to spend days trying to figure out what your page should look like. And I definitely don't want you staring at a blank screen, wondering, so where do I even start? So instead, I'm going to show you a much faster way. I will take you through the process step by step so you can see how quickly we can go from an idea to a working page. First is find bridge pages and marketing angles that are already being used successfully in the marketplace. You just need to learn how to recognize what works and then create something original around your own market and offer. So once we have done our research, we're going to take what we have learned and create our own page. So when we create our bridge page, we're not trying to make it complicated. We're looking for a simple structure, grabbing attention, problem, curiosity, discovery, transformation, and then the next step. So the page should continue the conversation that started with the traffic. And most importantly, it should lead the visitor toward one clear action. So let's get into the demonstration doing our research. So first is we need to do our research. You already know what product or what market that you want to do. So we will use this Meta Ad Library for free. So this is a free tool as long as you have your Facebook account. So first is go to Google and just type here Meta Ad Library. And you will just see this ad library, Facebook. Click this one and you will be redirected to this page. You will see here search ads. So we will just put here United States. Click this one ad category. Click all ads. And then you can search by keyword or advertiser. So if you already know the keyword that you want to use, then you can just type here. So here, I'm just giving you an example so you can start whatever is your market industry or product that you have chosen already. Let's say we are promoting a weight loss product. So I will just type here weight loss. You will see here there are advertisers popping out like yoga for weight loss, walking and weight loss tracker, and so much more. So we will just click one of this weight loss page here that has a lot of followers. So let's see this one. This one is, they have 3.7 million followers. And let's just see if they are running paid advertising. So let's click this. This yoga for weight loss, you will see 230 results. So this advertiser is running 230 ads on Facebook. So you will see the start running date here. So the more longer this advertiser run this ad, meaning they are making money already, because advertiser will not run ad if they are losing money. The longer period they are running this, meaning that ad is working. So we will just get some idea here what type of ads that this advertiser is doing. This page also running ad with yoga for weight loss. So this is the ad copy that this advertiser is using. So get visible body transformation in 28 days with Tai Chi. So this creative is a video, so let's play this one.
See how her thighs rub together as she moves? That friction is why she stopped wearing dresses. Perimenage thighs. She told me the hard workout.
So you will see here that friction, why she stopped wearing dresses.
Perimenage thighs. She told me the hard workouts wore her out and the rubbing stayed exactly the same.
So that's the pain point that the target customer is facing here.
Tai Chi is the opposite of the hard workouts. 7 gentle minutes every morning, no gym, no impact. It's helped a lot of women feel comfortable in their own legs again.
So the target audience here are women.
Can I get your number?
Sweetheart, I'm 57. I could be your mother.
No way! You're 57, you look incredible.
7 minutes every morning. The new challenge starts this Monday. Tell your mom about it.
I'm 61. With summer coming up, I really want to feel confident in my body again. I've tried walking, Pilates, fasting, but nothing really helped me lose that stubborn weight.
So this is the type of creative that this advertiser is using. So they are talking about the pain point, how they can help them without going to the gym, and sharing some testimonials here of the transformation. This is one type of creative, which is video creative. And you will see here, there's also an image creative here. Look around here, what type of creatives that this advertiser is using. Depend on your target market and your product. You will see here, this is the same ad copy, and this one, they are using an image. So you will see here, learn more. So when you click this learn more, then you will be redirected to the landing page. So you will see that this advertiser is directing their traffic. This is a quiz page. And let's make another research here. Let's say morning trick to lose weight. Let's see what will come out here. So there are 29,000 results. This is the ad copy. So this is a long ad copy here. It's a storytelling ad copy. This one is the headline. So let's see here. What's the landing page that this advertiser is using? So when you click this one, learn more. So this is an e-commerce advertiser. So we are not directing our traffic into the product that we want to promote. So what we want is only to create curiosity. The vendor from affiliate platform Clickbank or Buy Goods is the one who will sell the product. Let's say you already know the Facebook page that you want to research here if they are running ads. So let me see here. Let's say I already made my research of the Facebook page that I want to check. So let's see it here. About weight loss. So let's see it here. So this one have followers. So you will see here, there are 16 results. So this one is the ad copy, and let's see what product they are promoting here. So when I click this one, learn more. So this is the landing page or the bridge page that this advertiser is using. So this one is a story-based landing page, and let's see what product this advertiser is promoting. So when you click this one, the call to action on the landing page or the bridge page, just click that one. So you will see the product that they are promoting. So this product is a Clickbank product. You will see here, there is this contact the product support. This is the vendor. So the product that they are promoting here is, you will see it here below. Just focus here on this part. When I hover my mouse here, contact the vendor here. So this one is all slimming herbs. This is the affiliate product that this advertiser is promoting. This one is Clickbank. So clickbank.com. So this one is slimming tea. So go to Meta Ad Library and search for the product, offer, brand, or keywords related to the market you are entering. The ad library allows you to see active ads running across Meta platforms. So I want you to study what other affiliate marketers are doing. Don't copy them. Study them. Look at the different creative formats. Are they using videos, images? What type of hook are they using? What problem are they talking about? What kind of curiosity are they creating? And most importantly, look at how long those ads have been running. Because an ad that has been running for a longer period can be a useful signal that the advertiser has reason to keep investing in it. But remember, the ad library doesn't tell us the advertiser's actual profit or conversion rate. Then click through and study where this advertiser sends people. So look at the landing page, look at their headline, look at the message, and look at the call to action. So find one bridge page that you believe is a good model for your own page. Again, we are not copying someone else's page. We are just studying and doing our research and learning from what's already in the marketplace. And if you want to go deeper into building your affiliate marketing business, you can continue learning inside my Affiliate Marketing Mastery course. And if you'd like to save more while getting access to the full course, you can choose the subscription option here. So start learning and keep building your affiliate marketing business one step at a time. And I hope to see you on board.